Jeez, they had that on there tight. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chai, and today I have a Juvia's Place unboxing. I recently put in 2 orders to Juvia's Place while they were having their Juneteenth sale, and I've gotten all of my products, so I wanted to show you guys what all I got. So we're gonna get right into it. So one of the first things that I got from the website is the Coffee Shop eyeshadow palette. Opening it out of the box, it comes in a plastic wrap. And this is how it looks fresh out of the pack. Really nice and beautiful. This is honestly one of my first times shopping with Juvia's Place, and this is how the palette looks. And as you can see, the colors are really nice. We've got a range of matte and shimmer shades in this palette. And if I just choose a few to swatch, very, very nice. Those are really nice and buttery. Very nice and buttery. I'll swatch this one as well. Look at these beautiful shades. That is gorgeous. I honestly cannot wait to use this palette. It's honestly an all-you-need kind of palette that you can chuck in your kit and take to use on pretty much all of your soft glam clients. So I'm excited to use this palette here. Moving right along, the next palette that I got from Juvia's Place is the Berries palette. Same thing, when you take it out of the packaging, it has a plastic wrap, and this is how the palette looks out of the packaging. Very nice and cute and compact. It comes with 6 shades, and honestly, I saw this palette as something like a blush palette. I can see mixing these nice matte shades together to get a really nice and unique powdered blush look. So I'm definitely going to swatch the 2 beautiful shimmer shades here. Oh my gosh, look at that, very beautiful. Here's the other one. Oh, look at how gorgeous that is. And then honestly, I want to hit this one too. This is a nice blush shade that I can see myself using. And she's gorgeous as well. So that is the Berries palette by Juvia's Place. The last and final palette that I got from Juvia's Place is the Blushed Rose palette. And again, I was going for palettes that I could use that look like they can be used for not only eyeshadow but also blush as well. Again, it comes in a plastic wrap, and this is how she looks out of the pack. I really like the attention to detail when it comes to the gold detailing on the packaging. Very nice and unique and nice and compact. Once again, this is how the palette looks. Really nice shades, and you can create a different array of makeup looks with these colors, so I really do appreciate that. I definitely want to go into this nice cute shimmery pink shade here. That'd be a gorgeous highlight. I wonder if it gives off like glittery or just a sheen, but honestly you can probably build it up really nicely. I just went into the gold shade there. Very nice. And I think I want to go into this nice deeper shade here. I really like the deeper shades, that's really nice. As you can see, these colors are really nice and pigmented, and I can't wait to see how these colors look on the skin. All right, so once again, to recap, these are the palettes that I was able to get from Juvia's Place. So make sure you subscribe so that you are able to see all of the beautiful makeup looks that I am going to be creating. Moving right along, I got 2 setting powders, and I really just love the whole theme of the packaging. Like, everything looks really, really nice, and it's really giving attention to detail. It's really giving skin tone inclusivity, so I love that. This is how the setting powder comes packaged. This is the front, this is the back. It has this nice label here telling you which one you have here. This is in the color Gobi, and this is how she looks. I tried to get setting powders that would complement my more deeper toned clients. So this is Gobi. This is the second shade that I purchased, and it is in the shade Kalahari. And this is how Kalahari looks. It's giving more banana setting powder. So now I am more equipped to be able to do a nice array of skin tones. I already have my translucent powder. Now I have banana and even a more deeper golden tone setting powder. So I'm very excited to use these products. Moving right along, we're gonna step a little bit further into the category of face with Juvia's Place. These are their multi-purpose foundation sticks that you can use to color correct, conceal, and contour. And I got these in 5 different shades. This is the outside packaging. Again, really nice and beautiful. I am living for the packaging. I'm gonna give us a bit of a close-up look when it comes to the tubing and packaging of the actual products. Really nice and sleek. My only concern is the fact that I don't know what shade is like what just by looking at it. Of course, you'll get to know what the shade is by using it, and they have names, not really numbers, as far as shade range. So we're gonna get right into some swatches. I'm honestly just diving right in with the first one that I've chosen. It's in the color Luxor, and I think this is one of the lighter shades that I purchased. This is how the shade Luxor looks. The second shade that I'm going to be swatching is in the shade Panama. This is how she looks. This one is Luxor at the top, and the second one is Panama, just to give you a little reference. I tried to get a nice color range. This next one is going to be in Grenada. And I'm honestly swatching them all side by side so that you can see more or less the difference in shade range. The next foundation stick that I swatched is in the shade Tunisia. I hope that I'm pronouncing all of these correctly, but this is how she looks at the bottom. But the next shade that I have here is Congo, and this is how Congo looks. So I'm very excited about these foundation sticks. I can't wait to use them. And that was all of the foundation sticks that I got from Juvia's Place. Now, the last and final product that we are going to be talking about today is the I Am Magic concealers. As you can see, this face line is all relatively within the same line. So as you can see the shades, you can actually see the colors when you go to reach for them, and they are also numerical when it comes to the shades. So the lower numbers are the darker colors, and the higher numbers are the lighter colors. So moving right along into the swatches. This is the concealer in the shade number 17. It is equipped with a really nice doe foot applicator, and it's pretty big. This is the shade 17. Next up, I have shade number 14. This is how she looks straight out of the bottle. That is the shade number 14, right there. Next up, we're going in with shade number 9. Ooh, she's on there. Oh my gosh. Jeez. They had that on there tight. This is how she looks out of the packaging. All right, so this is in the shade number 9. Next up, I have shade level 7. This is how it looks out of the bottle. This is how shade number 7 looks here. And our final shade is number 3. This is how she looks straight out of the packaging. And this is how she looks swatched on the swatch palette. And mind you, on their website they have a plethora of shades. I almost had a bit of a hard time choosing which ones I wanted, but I was kind of just skipping a few concealers / foundations in between. So I think I got a pretty decent shade range to start off with when it comes to working with these products. All in all, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Let me know which one of these products you guys are excited to see me use in the near future, and make sure that you subscribe and turn on my post notifications so that you do not miss any of my uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video.